Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review the levels given for May 19 and then later we will discuss the trading levels for May 20. So these are the levels which we gave for May 19. We should go long above 8886 and we should go short below 8800. Now let's go to the 5-minute chart of Nifty 50 and see how these levels helped us in today's trade. Now if you see, this is the 5-minute chart of Nifty 50 of May 19. Okay, Nifty opened above 8960 and then started coming down. For the next 4 candles it has gone below somewhere near to 8870 and then it started coming higher and then it triggered our buy level. So when a 5-minute candle triggers the buy level of 8886, we should wait for the 5-minute candle to complete. So the 5-minute candle is completed here, and then as per the rule we have to wait for the next 5-minute candle to break the high of the previous candle. So if you see here, this is our 5-minute candle which triggered the buy level of 8886, and then we are waiting for this candle to form and it has to break the high of this candle. If you see here, it has broken the high of the previous candle, so this is the place we should enter the trade. Okay, so as per the rule we should have entered the trade here. Okay, now we are in trade. Now let's see what happened. Okay, now after putting the trade, the next thing we need to do is we should not forget to put the stop loss as 8800. Okay, now once the stop loss is entered, we will wait for our targets to come. See here, in the next candle itself it triggered the first target, so we should book the profit here for the first lot. For those traders who are using only one lot, they have to book the profit here and they should not enter into any other trade for today, because that is how the rule says. Now for those traders who are trading in two lots, they can book the profit of one lot here, and the next step is they should change the stop loss from 8820 to our trigger level of somewhere near to 8920. Okay, that is how we should do. Okay, so what will happen is for the second lot it has come to our here, the second target of 8980 achieved. Okay, so this is what happened for today's trade. Our two targets achieved. It was a very good day for us. Now once this is done, we should not do anything else. We should just keep watching the Nifty 50 and see if any of other levels are coming, but there is no levels coming here. Okay, see, close to somewhere around 2 o'clock it again went into consolidation mode over here, but we should not get into any trade here. Okay, because it clearly shows it is getting into some consolidation, so we should not enter into any other trade over here. We should wait for the Nifty market end, because once we book the profits, right, we should not lose the profit. That is very important for a trader. Okay, now we will see the intraday trading levels for tomorrow, for May 20. So we should go long above 8953 with a stop loss of 8890. Targets are 8985, 9095 and 9160. We should go short below 8850 with a stop loss of 8910. Targets are 8815, 8750 and 8645. Now let us see the rules. For every trading setup there has to be some rules, and as a trader we need to strictly follow that rules. Okay, and that is very important. So these are the trading rules, when to go for bullish trade and when to go for bearish trade. And there are some rules mentioned under the note section which will help you to enter the trade. if our buy level or sell level comes at the market opening, then what we need to do. So that is clearly mentioned here. Please understand and trade accordingly. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if the levels help you in your trading career.